So I'm going to show you how to revert your Samsung Galaxy A17 5G back to the default theme. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. So go to settings. So find a way of getting to settings, and then under settings, look for themes. Tap on that. Now that's going to open up your Galaxy themes. Now in your Galaxy themes, tap on menu in the bottom right corner, and then you should see my stuff. So if you tap on that, you can see all your stuff, all your wallpapers, icons, and themes. So make sure themes is selected. The first theme is always going to be your phone's default theme. So all you have to do is check on it and then tap on apply, and your phone will apply the default theme. Simple as that. Thanks for watching and good luck.